Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a Pine script in TradingView. When you're logged into your platform, you are going to go to Products at the top panel, click on Super Charts, and now we wait for our charts to load. Okay, we are in. At the bottom left, you will find Pine Editor. Click to expand. Okay, here in this panel, we are going to delete the contents that is here currently. And for our next step, we are going to paste in a script. It can be a script that matches your strategy, tailored by you with your specifications. It can be EMAs, MACD, stochastic, anything that you have a strategy around. So I'm going to take mine for my notepad. I already have one, and then I'm going to paste it in the panel. After I do that, I'm going to save. You'll find it besides untitled script. Now we are going to title it. It is titled. I'm going to press add to chart, and I have successfully added the indicator to my charts. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.